Kalong gajing kemen ke bakrau ki Shnong ka Nongthymmai ha Byrnihat. Ha ka ba gajing angnot ke balabun senam Klur hadin gajing la jang sarkar Meghalaya lemba Jingtreishitom jang MLA ke jirang constituency uba sustenance sotun ha ka ba ke Shnong kalayo ke Surok ke bapaka ke badan kumbashi kilometer ke bapnya so nado ke Surok ba National Highway bahan riau ter syado ke Byrnihat Primary Health Center. Ya kini ke Surok rong bapaka lamang ha kejinglot ke bashi Klur Tyngka ya ke balawan ban plepat ba du menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal sangma ha kejing don lang uba sostenis sotun UMLA uba Victor Rani UMDC u Deputy Commissioner kene ke distrik u Aprit Upadhyay Superintendent ki Pulit Giri Prasad bat kiwe. Na kaliang uba sostenis sotun ulepen pau kejing kemen ke bakrau halor kejing ijingai jong ke sarkar jela ke balas ngap kejing terang kipat ba Shnong ka Nongthymmai ke bala ap kimilinti ke Surok ke bapaka ha ke Shnong kamtam na ke bentai kinong pang ke belet sumar ha ke Byrnihat PHC. Ulepen pau ru ba ke Byrnihat PHC ke jaka sumar ke ba ajing syakri ya palat saupusan hajar ngot kinong Shnong katahan Byrnihat. Kumta ladon kam kerki ban kentiu kerdan no yaka Shaka Community Health Center. Nang bagi pat ba kinyo ke jing syakri ke bejanai ha ke ba ulaben rabru bawa la ke jirang constituency ke leo pediang yashibun ki kampen roy lengbak sarkar MDA nrai kene ke constituency kenang don kam syuk yaki wei pat ki kampen roy ha bakran ku mukongsan u Konrad Kongkal sangma ulapen pau bakene ke sarkar MDA ha kini ki sau snem kalala aban penio yashibun teli ki Surok bat ki wei ki kampen roy ha ki Shnong ki thau kam tam ki Shnong nong kendong jong ke jela Meghalaya. Bat kini ke Surok ha ke Shnong Nongthymmai balambang dak sarkar jela kadahi ke Jingtreishitom jong MLA ban tiet ke jingkhang jong sarkar bat kumta ke jing angnut jong pat ba kalau urlong ulo ongru ba ke jing don kam ban kentiu kerdan no ya ke Byrnihat PHC sha ke CHC kadahi ke bosongnya bat ikani anpen urlong no shen ha ke ba shen on sawan ban bu yu mau nong rem ban kentiu kerdan no ya ka sha ke CHC.
Sitting in the middle of the road and having a program like this. So I will definitely remember this program. I don't think I've ever sat in the middle of the road. Some people might look at this and say that CM has come for dharna. But I must clarify there is no dharna. I must congratulate our MLA. He has been somebody who has really very silently but very aggressively worked for his constituency. And in the last 4.5 years, there are 365 days in every year. So you multiply 4 years into 365, that's about 1,200 days. But I can tell you that he has come over 3,000 times to my office. And he has come only for you, only for the constituency. And very happy to inform you that your PHC will be upgraded to a CHC. And we will do this in the next few, maybe weeks time. We'll be coming here and getting it done. I'll just coordinate with the health department. But I know that this area has a very large requirement and it's a very highly and densely populated area. And therefore you require the health services out here. And therefore keeping all of that in mind and of course with the continuous intervention of your MLA, we are determined and I'm happy to inform you that we will be upgrading this and very soon along with your local MLA and the health minister we will come and we will be doing the necessary program and function for upgradation and sanctioning the necessary post and all the other things that are required to make this into a full-fledged PHC.